Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 27909 6.0 cordless telephone. And this is John's equipment from Missouri, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, these units were very sought after. People really liked them, and customers want to have them repaired. John has a note with this unit, and he's talking about he's got a transmit issue. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC boards on the handset unit. And we want to go through the transmit circuitry. So we will take care of that issue. We want to get a start on this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 27909 6.0 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time and release it. We have another issue. This is a cordless telephone, and the base unit and handset interchange frequencies, and those frequencies can be picked up by our amplified pickup. And so we will show you that in the final checkout. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we want to do is go ahead and show you the frequencies that interchange between the base and the handset, and we can pick those frequencies up with the amplified pickup. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to dial a 2 to cause dial tone to go away. Turn on our pickup. Go ahead and hang our handset up. So that's the amplified pickup, picking up the stray frequencies between the base and the handset unit. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we have transmit and receive, and we're dialing out, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, November 27th. The current time, 1:27 p.m. and the temperature, 61 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to John and he can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. And like we mentioned earlier, these are highly sought after cordless telephones. People really like them. They like the size of them and they like how they mount on the wall. And they really want to have these type of telephones repaired. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.